Now that you have your brand set up and looking the way you and your team would like, it is time to share your brand kit. To open the brand kit settings pop-up, click on the Share Collection icon on the top right. You will see a few options and customizations that can be made. You are given the option to copy a link to the collection page alone, or you can share the entire brand with all your collections that you have toggled on for sharing. You can always go back and toggle on or off collections that you would like to have displayed or hidden from your shareable collection or brand kit. Simply click on the triple dotted menu of each collection and select Edit Collection. Once the Edit Collection pop-up appears, set the Include in Shareable Brand Kit toggle to your preferred setting. You can also embed a collection or even your entire brand kit on your site or web page of choice. All that is needed is for you to copy the embed code and paste it into your website or web builder's code insert area for a specific page, preferably a blank page. This would be the result. This embeddable brand and collection feature allows you to accomplish a simple white label experience for your clients without having to do any DNS management. There is also a field for you to add your copyright information to your collection and brand kit pages. Additionally, there is the option to enable password protection for this brand. To learn more about password protecting your brands and assets, go to the next video, Password Protecting Your Assets and Brands.